This is a project management table from the Datablaze template gallery. I've got a number of fields for each entry, and the data is sorted by due date. There are only 28 entries in this table, but it's already starting to look overwhelming. To make my data easier to digest, I can group my entries according to a specific field of my choice. Here's what that looks like. You'll notice that a new column has been added here. This is the primary grouping that I've chosen, and the data is grouped accordingly. There's also a counter that tells me how many entries are in that group. The due date sorting still applies, but the group takes precedence. Let's add another group. This will act as a subgroup for the first one. Once again, we have a new column representing the second grouping, along with counters and due date sorting. On top of this, I can also create a filter to really fine-tune my view. Now I can see all of the projects for this specific client neatly organized into category and completion status. To learn more about all the tools in Datablaze, head over to our help site where you can find detailed tutorials, videos, and templates to use as inspiration. And make sure you visit our community.